Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off data for individual app in Samsung smartphone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Now scroll down the apps page and then locate the application whose network access or data you want to turn off, and then click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down, locate mobile data and click on it. Now go ahead and turn off allow background data usage for this particular application. After that, you are good. You can repeat this on all other applications. And at the same time, if you don't want the application to connect to mobile data network, such that you want the application to only use Wi-Fi, go ahead and click on connections. Click on data usage. Then select allowed networks for apps. And then this is going to show all the applications you have on your Samsung phone that will have access to the internet. Then select the application you want to block and then select Wi-Fi only. Henceforth, this application data will be turned off on your Samsung. And if you want to make the application to use your mobile data again, just repeat the same thing and turn off the feature you turned on. So that's exactly how to turn off data for individual app in Samsung smartphone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.